first before they can get to see my video and see that, oh wait, it's valuable. Oh, I like her. Let me subscribe. I gotta get the package right. If the package isn't right, people aren't even going to click to watch it. You have to stop obsessing over the outcomes. If your life feels random right now, it's likely because your aim is off. What is your aim? What are you aiming at? Because you can have a goal, theoretically, but are you still aiming in the right direction? Probably not. If you feel stuck, probably not. All right, hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Bobby J, and thank you so much for joining me today. So, if you're interested in transforming your life, mastering your mind, and getting more fulfillment out of this life, and if building a rich life on purpose resonates with you, girl, what you doing? Please subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. If you're missing the goals, if you've been aiming this same direction and you're not quite making the shot like you want to, it's probably because your aim is off. Your arm cricket, something's off. So I'm going to share with you exactly why most people miss where they're aiming in the first place. And then, of course, how we're going to fix it, how we're going to rectify it so that you are taking the right shots. All right. So your aim literally starts with why. There was a book I read many years ago written by Simon Sinek, and it's titled literally Start With Why. But the start with why that we're talking about today isn't the motivational hoorah kind that you see a lot of rhetoric online about. It's going to actually be the directional kind. What are you actually trying to build your life around? Is it freedom? Is it peace? Is it financial independence? Is it being more present with your kids? Whatever, however you define that, there's no right, there's no wrong. It's only you ensuring that you choose what you're after. And then so after you know what you're building your life around, like I said, it can be one, the other, a combination, all of the above plus more that I may not have listed. So next you're going to have to filter out what matters to you. And to do that, you're going to have to highlight your values. So your values are literally what you refuse to compromise on while you're building. And it's pretty much a combination of these three things. Well, this is what I have so far. So I think it's passion, I think it's knowledge, and I think it's creativity. So the passion that you have is something that pulls you. It pulls you in. You don't know why, maybe you do, but it pulls you. The knowledge aspect of your values is what you know and also what you're willing to learn. Okay, so this can kind of fall next side to side with like what you're curious about learning, what your interests are. This can fall side to side with what you're interested in, knowledge. Okay, and then creativity is how you solve problems along the way. Those are the three areas that I feel that you kind of combine to see what your values are. Now, if you're unsure about what your values are or if they're all over the place, this is where everything gets filtered. I'm not saying that only those three key areas matter. We're multifaceted, multidimensional. You are a this slash that. There are no limitations to who you are. So this could very much so be in this season. I'm not willing to compromise on this passion, what I want to learn or what I'm willing to learn in this creative outlet to solve a problem. So write them all down and then filter literally what matters to you currently. Okay, this is going to help us make sure that we're aiming, that we're aiming in the direction that we want to go in. Okay. Next, you have your shots, the shots that you are taking. These are your daily actions that's going to get you to aim in the direction that you need to go to go where you're trying to go. Right. Okay. It's not that you hit the goals. Let's be honest. You can dream, journal, write, know your values, start with your why. But if you don't start with try and actually practice on a day-to-day basis, your aim isn't going to get better. You don't hit goals, you hit daily shots. Those are the ones that matter. So bad aim is like your wasted effort, but no aim is also random effort, and clear aim are your focus reps that you're going to put in every single day. Those are shots that you take. I want to be very clear here. You have to stop obsessing over the outcomes. I know you have the numbers you want to have. For me, like I want to hit 50,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I want to have 2,000 people sign up for my newsletter. I want to reach these numbers, not because like I'm like not vanity numbers, but like impact wise. I know what that can do and how many people hopefully that I can help, but also like to get monetized. Like, don't get it twisted. All right. But I can't obsess over those numbers because I don't actually control them. So therefore I have to choose on a day-to-day basis Bailey better daily actions, which are my shots, my daily shots. So for example, let's continue with the YouTube. I want to grow this YouTube channel. I am growing this YouTube channel. Thank you all for everybody who subscribed so far. And for those who are watching this video, shout out to you. Make sure you subscribe. But if my goal is to grow it, I can't obsess over I'm refreshing every day, looking at 1 or 2 people subscribe real slow, and then it goes to 3, 4, then it goes to 10 a day, and on and up. What I can do is dive deeper into my analytics to see, okay, so right now, what my analytics are showing is when people watch my videos, they stay, they watch them. You all are watching them. Thank you so much. But I have a packaging problem. So I've been working on, if you've seen like the last couple videos, I've been working on my thumbnail image, my titles, my thumbnail text. That's the package. So people want to first, before they can get to see my video and see that, oh wait, it's valuable. Oh, I like her. Let me subscribe. I gotta get the package right. If the package isn't right, people aren't even going to click to watch it. So I only learned that from my analytics. So I can focus on improving that, and that so far in the last 3 videos have gotten me 5 subscribers. I know it's not a lot in the world where everyone has millions and hundreds of thousands and tens of thousands. But if you think about it, everyone starts at zero, lean, none, nada, right? So I'm very proud. Also, if 202 people were standing behind me or whatnot, you would think twice about the words that you say. You would be very you would be very mindful of what you're saying. You know what I mean? Like, don't get it twisted. And 202 people are a lot, and I'm so grateful. That's crazy. Like, I just had an idea, I just went with it, and like 202 people so far are here at the time of this recording, and I know for a fact the people are coming. I always say this: the people are coming. I'm not pressed for the people. What I want to do is to deliver on a day-to-day basis my best. So whether it's 202, 202,000, 2.2 million, two, okay, my mama and my daughter, my mama and my family, like, it doesn't matter. My goal is to deliver and at the highest quality that I can at the current moment. So yes, I'm changing these things, but I'm not obsessing over the outcome. To be honest with y'all, I'm just happy to be here. I'm just happy to finally get back into creating and doing something that I used to do, and then doing it in my way now with where I am, and not being afraid anymore, and just not having those visibility fears stop me. So anyways, y'all, I'm just happy to be here. Okay, so thank you for watching. All right. And so essentially, I had to decide what my aim was. I had to decide what I'm going to talk about. I had to decide, and that's exactly what you have to do. You have to decide your aim, or life will decide it for you. So that goes back to what I always talk about. You are the one in charge. You are the one with the power. You are the one with the pen in your hand, and you are going to write this chapter in forward, or a whole new book in a whole new genre, your life. And this is how you do it. And let me tell y'all something. If life decides for you, you're going to wake up busy every day feeling like you aren't getting anywhere, feeling like, where did the time go? Because you gave it away and you didn't allow yourself, you didn't recognize that you were the one in control. If you need help on actually moving, if you are procrastinating on taking your next step, you're overthinking, you're fearful, you're afraid of what's going to happen, you're fear led based off of what happened before, or you are completely confused about where to start, I created the perfect 7-day challenge for you. It's called Start Before You're Ready. 7-day challenge. The link is in the bio. I made it for you. It's time to get started, and it's free. So why not? What? Who does it? Doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt anybody. It's not going to hurt anybody. And but the premise of it is literally in the title. You want to start before you're ready. All right. So what are you aiming for? Let's make sure you start with why. Let's make sure you know what your values are, and use that as a filter to determine what shots you're going to take on a day-to-day basis. And then never obsess over the outcomes. Only focus on your daily inputs, and you will be able to reach your goals in record times like you've never done before. Remember, this is transformative training. We are building a rich life on purpose together, okay? I'm talking about mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. My name is Spivey J, and I hope you have a beautiful day. All right?